Solving rational equation transformable to quadratic equation. Today I will discuss to you how to solve the rational equations in a step-by-step process for you to understand easily. Let us have example number 1. Solve the rational algebraic equation. 3 over x squared minus 5 over x is equal to 8. In dealing with this kind of problem, since there are fractions involved and the operation is subtraction, then we need to find first the LCD or the least common denominator. You will also do the same if the operation is addition. You will find first the LCD. As a first step on the problem, let us write again the given equation. 3 over x squared minus 5 over x is equal to 8. Let us start to find the LCD. Get the denominator of each fraction. The denominators are x squared and x. Let us find the factors of x and x squared. The factor of x is x. The factor of x squared is x times x. Next, write the common factor of each, then write it once. Then, we have x multiply by bringing down the other factors which are the x. So, we have x times x, the product is x squared. Now, the LCD is x squared. We will now distribute the x squared in the whole equation. Let us start. We have 3 multiply to x squared over x squared. Minus 5 multiply by x squared over x. Is equal to 8 times x squared. Let us now simplify the results. We can cancel the x squared because x squared divided by x squared is equal to 1. Then, if we multiply 1 times 3 is equal to 3. 3 minus 5. X squared divided by x is equal to x. How? It is because when you are dividing an exponent the operation is subtraction. Then, 2 minus 1. The result is x raised to 1, or simply x. Is equal to 8 times x squared. The product is 8x squared. So, we have 3 minus 5x is equal to 8x squared. Let us now arrange the equation in the standard form of the quadratic equation. I decided to transpose all terms on the left side to the right side of the equation so that we can avoid getting the negative value of the first term. Using the addition property of equality, we have 3 minus 5 is equal to 8x squared. The inverse of negative 5x is positive 5x. We also add positive 5x on the other side of the equation. Next, the inverse of positive 3. The inverse of positive 3 is negative 3. We also add negative 3 on the other side of the equation. So, we have 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Negative 5x plus 5x, it will proceed to subtraction. The result is 0. Is equal to 8x squared plus 5x minus 3. Since it is a quadratic equation, then, we will write it in standard form. The standard form of the quadratic equation is a, x squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So, we have 8x squared plus 5x minus 3 is equal to 0. We are now moving toward finding the value of x. We will now decide what kind of method we will use in solving the quadratic equation. For now, we will use the quadratic formula in solving the value of x. Let us start from the transform rational equation. We have 8x squared plus 5x minus 3 is equal to 0. Let us identify the value of a, b, and c. The value of a is equal to 8, the value of b is equal to 5, and the value of c is equal to negative 3. Then, we will substitute the value of a, b, and c in the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula is x is equal to negative b, positive and negative square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Then, we have x is equal to negative, substitute the value of b which is 5, positive and negative square root of, substitute the value of b which is 5 square, minus 4 times substitute the value of a, which is 8, times, substitute the value of c which is negative 3, over 2 multiplied by substitute the value of a, which is 8. Then, we have x is equal to, negative times 5 is equal to negative 5, positive and negative square root of, 5 square is equal to 25, negative 4 times 8, times negative 3, is equal to positive 96, over 2 times 8 is equal to 16. Then, we have x is equal to negative 5, positive and negative square root of, 25 plus 96 is equal to square root of 121, over 16. We have x is equal to negative 5, positive and negative, square root of 121 is 11, over 16. Let us now separate the equation, to find the roots of the equation. We have x is equal to negative 5 plus 11 over 16, and x is equal to negative 5 minus 11 over 16. Let us have x is equal to negative 5 plus 11 over 16. So we have x is equal to negative 5 plus 11 is equal to 6 over 16, or simply, if we will reduce the answer in the lowest value, we need to divide 2 in both numerator and denominator. The answer will be 3 over 8. Let us have the other equation, x is equal to negative 5 minus 11 over 16. X is equal to negative 5 minus 11 will proceed to addition, so the result will be negative 16 over 16. So we have x is equal to negative 16 divided by 16 is equal to negative 1. Therefore, the values of x are 3 over 8 and negative 1. For more videos on mathematics, please don't forget to subscribe.